Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so...
Hola, bienvenidas a este video de limpieza y de motivación para el hogar. Esto es un rapidito de limpieza para que te motives a limpiar tu casa antes de Navidad. Si me escuchan un poquito diferente es porque estoy enferma, tengo la influenza, así que ahora mismo estoy toda congestionada y he estado varios días aquí en casa. Aquí lo que estoy haciendo es pintando esta mesita de noche de mi habitación porque se me había caído agua hace mucho y tenía ese pendiente de hacerlo, así que aquí traté más o menos de pintarla, pero más adelante me toca darle otra mano porque la pintura que tenía no me cubría lo suficiente. También en este video les voy a enseñar una aspiradora que estuve comprando. Como saben, la mayoría del piso de mi casa es alfombra, así que una buena aspiradora es muy importante aquí en casa. Y bueno, aquí les voy a compartir mi honesta opinión de esta aspiradora que estuve comprando. Está muy buena, se lo digo de adelanto. Así que les deseo una feliz Navidad y un próspero año nuevo. Déjame saber en los comentarios qué vas a hacer para el día de Navidad.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Ya he tenido varias aspiradoras de esta marca, de la marca Shark. Son muy buenas, son fácil para utilizar, no pesan mucho, porque a mí siempre me duele la espalda, así que no puedo tener aspiradoras que sean muy pesadas. Pero el sistema que esta tiene ahora, como esto que les estoy enseñando aquí, es un filtro que va a ayudar a prevenir mal olor cuando estás aspirando. También tiene un sistema que tiene doble cepillo en la parte de abajo, que más adelante les voy a enseñar. Y bueno, estos fueron todos los accesorios que estuvo trayendo. Me gustó mucho porque va a ser bien fácil para limpiar también las escaleras. Miren, de ese poquitito segundo que le estuve pasando, mire ya el polvo que sacó. Oh my god, y no hace mucho ruido. Está suavecita, así que vamos a ver qué tanto va a sacar polvo de toda esta alfombra.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Miren, solamente de esta habitación sacó todo ese polvo. Y yo pensando que mi alfombra estaba limpia. Es muchísimo, miren. Este es especial para limpiar, recoger bien el cabello y también limpiar el piso de madera, bien suavecito. Y tiene este también que es de goma. La aspiradora de antes tenían unos cepillos. Y lo bueno de todo es que se limpia automático. O sea que no se queda en el cabello ni nada acumulado como los aspiradores anteriores. Aquí está apagado. Tiene la opción para limpiar el piso de madera. Como piso sí que no sea alfombra. Y la alfombra.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry.
Por adelante, sí. Ok. Ahora habla, sí. ¿Así?
Bueno, sí.
Ajá.
Pero eso está muy feo.
¿Qué?
Ahí, sí.
Ay, yo me digo.
Está muy feo.
Hazle así.
Está muy feo, Yo lo hice lindo.
Oh, no me digas.
Ok, díganle en los comentarios quién lo hizo mejor.
¡Ey! No me metes en rojo.
Bueno, tú hiciste que pasara eso, ¿so?
No. Déjame arreglar lo que tú lo hiciste con ellos.
Wow. I see how it is, I see how it is.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
is. I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you. 'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever, ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're finally right? You got me out of this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue.
Hasta aquí ha llegado el video de hoy, espero que te haya gustado, no olvides suscribirte, compartir este video y bueno, dejarme un comentario en la parte de abajo, cuéntame qué estuviste haciendo cuando estabas viendo este video. Así que Dios me las bendiga y nos vemos hasta el próximo video.
Making plans.